You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Tuesday after data showed a slight drop in inflation, which increased speculation the Fed might keep policy accommodative for longer than previously expected. The greenback ended the day 1.3357 to the euro and 99.11 to the yen. Today's main event is the FOMC rate meeting, at which there is now considerable speculation that a 10 billion taper will be announced. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Tuesday after the ZEW sentiment survey showed a greater than expected rise in investor optimism regarding the economic outlook for the eurozone. The single currency ended the day 1.3357 to the dollar and 132.40 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone construction output in July. British pound. The pound rose against most currencies on Tuesday after the recent run of strong data considerably improved the outlook for the UK economy. Sterling ended the day 1.5902 to the dollar and 0.8398 to the euro. Today's main economic news event is the release of the Bank of England September minutes. Japanese yen. The yen weakened on Tuesday after safety flows fell sentiment data and comments from Mario Draghi lifted the outlook for the eurozone, and an easing of the tensions in Syria also lowered safety demand. The yen ended the day 99.11 to the dollar and 157.61 to the pound. Today's data includes the trade balance, which is expected to show deepening of the deficit to negative 1.11 trillion yen in August. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.332 with 1.3385 and 1.341 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.332, which will open the way to 1.328 and 1.325. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.588 with 1.593 and 1.597 as next targets. The downside breakout of 1.588, which will open the way to 1.583 and 1.577. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 98.95 with 99.55 and 99.95 inside. The downside penetration of 98.95, which will call for 98.7 and 98.5. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.